Hello everyone, this is our dear from Advanced Mechanics and welcome to another episode of Know Your Car. So in this week's episode, I'm going to be talking about a specific part in your cooling system that acts as a reservoir for your engine coolant. So without any waste of time, let's get into the video. So the component I'm going to be talking about today is called the coolant expansion tank or the coolant reservoir. The coolant expansion tank stores excess coolant from the radiator. It basically provides a breathing space for your engine's cooling system. When the coolant inside your engine heats up, it expands, and this expansion causes a buildup of pressure inside your engine's cooling system. So to relieve this pressure, a special type of valve called the radiator pressure cap allow this pressurized coolant to go into the expansion tank or the reservoir tank. But when the engine coolant cools down, it contracts, and this contraction creates a vacuum inside the radiator. This vacuum sucks back the coolant from the expansion tank that flowed to it when the coolant was hot. So the radiator expansion tank plays an important role in maintaining your engine's temperature. And by the way, if you don't know how a radiator pressure cap works, I'll make sure to leave a link in the comment section so that you check it out. The radiator expansion tank is typically located in the engine compartment, often near the radiator, and is connected to the radiator by a small pipe. Now you know how the radiator expansion tank works. What are some of the problems that can be caused by a bad expansion tank or maybe a cracked radiator expansion tank? So one thing you're going to notice is that your engine will start to overheat, and what happens is that when your radiator expansion tank cracks, all the fluid that is in the tank will leak out, causing the coolant system to suck in air, and when air is in your cooling system, your engine is going to overheat. So to avoid this problem, make sure your radiator expansion tank is not cracked and make sure you fill it to the normal level.